welcome back to the channel, Electric Fan. On this episode, we are testing our bikes, our Ariel Rider X Class 52 volts versus our Super73 RX. And we found some time to head here to Santa Fe Dam early this morning. We're actually, me personally, I'm a late person. I sleep late, but just for you guys, we woke up early so we can do some tests against this bike and that bike. I kind of already know what the outcome will be, but just for the YouTube and just for science, we will be documenting it. So there's a good stretch coming up. So after this bend, just stop and we'll line up, okay? Okay, so we'll do this throttle all the way from this street pole to that street pole. You okay? Okay, on go, okay? Everything is fully charged. And I'm slightly heavier than you. For sure. Okay, so ready, set, go. Oh, there's the RX. I'm a good 20 feet already from the RX. Is she catching up? No, she's not. And there's the finish line. Bye. What the heck? I thought the RX would have a chance. But everything's fully charged. Now we're gonna swap, dear. This line to that line. Now we're gonna swap bikes at that line. This bike is amazing with a 35 amp, and I'm pretty sure it's the metal gear and the motor definitely make a big difference. Okay, stop. You obviously throttled like all the way, right? I don't like the RX losing by that much, to be honest. Like, why did it lose by that much? There you go. This one is, I set it up so that it's also thumb throttle, but it's on your left side. Well, I'm pretty sure we're gonna know what the outcome will be, but so same thing to that street pole, okay? I know it's a little tall for you. Okay, but same thing to the street pole, okay? On go. I'm just making sure I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh. There it is. Well, she's obviously lighter, but yeah, I'm not even gaining on her though. I was hoping the RX could at least gain, but no, I'm done. I'm toast. Okay, man, that's well, that proves it. That bike just took this one down again. Can you just throttle and can I max pedal too? We obviously know that that's the faster bike, but I'm gonna be pedaling just to try to keep up as well, and then you just throttle, and then we'll stop at the other street light. Okay? So just throttle. Okay, here we go. So now I'm gonna do everything I got. Okay, ready? On go. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, I'm pedaling like crazy. Okay. I think I got you this time. Oh, you're gaining. Oh my gosh. There's the finish line. All right. Well, that proves it. That proves it. That's it. That's the test. I mean, why is there so much cars on this path today? Well, that's that. Here's the RX. Okay, you can have ET back. Thank you for that. That slaughter fest. the RX never. I was hoping it's a little, I was hoping it's a little competitive. But yeah, here's our Ariel Rider. So we're gonna continue to go north for it'll open up there, so that way that there aren't cars. Well, there you guys have it. If you are considering a bike that you want to be faster with, you want more torque, this is definitely the clear winner. The 35 amp controller, 52 volts, 1000 to 2000 watt motor is just definitely torquier than the RX. When I have the chance, maybe I'll try to test this against juiced e-bikes, but I don't know any faster e-bike as of now for around only $2,000. If you want additional discounts, check out my link in the description below. Coupon code is E-Bike Adventures. Man, this is a steal of a deal. This is like, that bike is like $3,500 plus tax now. This bike is only $2,100 with free shipping and no tax. We can just go all the way up and it'll end at a zugo. Okay, throttle, ready, set, go. Okay, let you go first. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. All right. Yeah, there it is. Now I'm in. I even let her go first. See ya. Man, this bike just killing the RX. Super73 better do something fast in terms of their firmware. I mean, I know they can do it. I think it has pretty much the same specs. It's just their firmware and maybe the controller. They're not really advertising how much amp the controller can control. So that's, I don't know. They just better do something because this bike is so much cheaper. And yeah, just with the same specs. And I just added a fairing. I changed the seat to my comfort style. And it looks aesthetically just as cool in my opinion. I'm obviously, also for reference, I'm obviously heavier than my wife, but I added about 15 pounds of camera gear on her backpack so that the science experiment is kind of a little bit more accurate. Here we go, heading towards Azusa. Alright, let's have it follow me. Okay, throttle racing. Here we go, on go. On the other outlet, I told you. On go, ready, set, go. Bye. Yeah, no way the RX can catch up. I see her in the dust in my side view mirror. Oof. 35 miles per hour. That's the top speed on this guy. And it gets there quick. Actually, it gets there so your bike, when I was testing, your bike goes to 32 miles per hour in 13 seconds, and this bike goes 35 miles per hour in 13 seconds. So we'll try that again, okay? Pedal, give it all you got this time. Pedal and max throttle, and I'm just gonna be throttling, okay? Okay, on go. Let that guy get some clearance first. Wow, this bike is torquey. So you're going to be doing everything you got. Pedaling, max throttle, and I'll be just cruising along with my throttling. Okay, on go. Ready, set, go. Everything you got. Let's go, RX. Yeah, you're there. There you go. There you go. So it looks like that's the only way the RX can win. Or not. I'm already gaining already. Alright, see ya. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. And I lost Droney. I think the drone started catching someone else. Here we go. And my top speed, 35 miles per hour. So that's just, I don't have an e-bike throttling at this fast. So this is a super good value for only around $2,100. Super nimble. Because of the tires, there's so much skinnier, and it has really good low rolling resistance, in my opinion. Peace. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed the e-bike content. Now, I love both bikes. I have nothing against Super73, except that, you know, the waiting for parts for them it's getting ridiculous. If I wanted anything, I've been asking for that frame replacement since November. It's ready about March. Actually, it's almost May. My bad. It's almost May. And still no luck. It's a great community. It's a great looking e-bike. But that bike is now like $3,500 plus tax. And it's hard to stomach such an expensive e-bike. I mean, especially when you have options like this. So yeah, kudos to Ariel Rider. I have a feeling they're going to do great things in the nearest future. And yeah, E-Bike Adventures is a discount code, folks. Check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys in the next video. Peace.